Hey guys, welcome to a special edition of Rebuild It. This is just a quick video that we need you guys' help. This week we have a couple different options in auctions that are coming up, and we're trying to decide what our subscribers would like to see us do. And as you know, the purpose of our channel is for it to grow, and so we just want your opinion. What do you guys think? We've got the opportunity to buy a 2010 ZR1 Corvette. ZR1 has like 300 or 630 some odd horsepower. This Corvette has got about 11,000 miles on it. Has front end damage, a little bit of frame damage in the front, which should be an easy fix. The front fenders and hood and all the grille and all that are off the car. They're not in the picture, so I don't know if they come with it or not. And if not, that's a bunch of money because we find all that stuff. But as you know, a ZR1 is worth a bunch of money when it's done. It'd probably be worth upper 40s, low 50s. The other option is a 2009 Solstice Coupe, which I've never even seen a Solstice Coupe in real life. So that is a rare car. This one's got 28,000 miles on it, I think. As you can see, the glass is gone. So we don't know if it was hit hard enough to shatter that glass. Then, as you can tell by the pictures, it doesn't look like there's hardly any damage on the back at all, or anywhere on it at all. So the damage could be hidden behind that bumper cover, where it hit hard enough to shatter that glass, because also the left rear tail light is broken, which doesn't look like there's any reason why it should be broken. So there's a lot of unknowns about that Solstice, but also it's a clean title and it's within driving distance of me. So I could go get it where the Corvette is in New York City. So you need to know what you guys, do you think the channel will grow more with the ZR1, or do you think the Solstice, and which ones would you guys rather see done? Now, you Solstice guys, I know what you're going to say, but look at what we're trying to do with the channel and keep an open mind, and what do you think would help our channel the most and make us the most money? Because I think a Solstice, even at its the best, would be in the maybe mid 20s, upper 20s on a coupe. I'm not sure. With the Corvette, it's going to be a lot more expensive to buy, and it's going to be a lot more expensive to fix, but it should be worth in the upper 40s. So you guys let us know what you think in the comments below, and we really appreciate your help. Answer quick because we got a bid on this stuff coming up soon. Thanks.